Have you ever wondered what Python is? No, not the slithery reptile, but the versatile, easy-to-learn programming language that has taken the tech world by storm. Python, named after the British comedy group Monty Python, is a general-purpose language that has been around since the late 90s. But don't let its age fool you. It's as relevant today as it was back then, if not more so. Python is known for being user-friendly, with a syntax that is both simple and intuitive. This makes it a favorite among beginners. But don't be fooled, Python's simplicity doesn't mean it's only for newcomers. Its power and versatility make it a popular choice for professionals and industry giants alike. One of the areas where Python really shines is web development. Websites are an integral part of our daily lives, and Python helps to build them. From simple blog sites to complex e-commerce platforms, Python's frameworks like Django and Flask make web development a breeze. But Python's capabilities don't stop at web development. It's also a key player in the realm of artificial intelligence. From crafting sophisticated algorithms to building neural networks, Python is at the forefront of AI development. Its libraries, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, are widely used in the creation of machine learning models. Data analysis is another area where Python has made its mark. In an era where data is the new oil, Python is the drilling rig. With libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, Python allows for efficient data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. It's no wonder it's the go-to language for data scientists. So, to recap, Python is an easy-to-learn, versatile programming language. It's widely used in web development, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. Its user-friendly syntax makes it a great choice for beginners, while its power and flexibility make it a favorite among professionals. Python is more than just a programming language. It's a tool that empowers us to create, innovate, and explore the digital world. It's the language of today and most likely the language of the future. So whether you're an aspiring coder, a seasoned programmer, or just someone who's curious about the world of tech, Python is definitely worth your attention. And that, my friends, is a brief introduction to Python.